Hello my dear friend, in this tutorial you will learn how to exit safe mode on your Android phone. You can follow this simple method easily, turn them off. Let's get started. First method, I am using the quick panel. So simply swipe the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Here you can find the safe mode is on option. If you found them, simply tap on it, then hit the turn off button and automatically exit the safe mode. However, keep in mind, if you don't find the option on your phone, for example, if you don't appear there, don't worry, you can follow the next method. This time you can find the power button and volume down button on your device. Tap on, hold it, the both button. From the pop-up menu, select restart, tap on it again and wait to turn back on your phone and automatically exit the safe mode your device. The last and third method, if you want to exit safe mode, swipe the top of the screen to open the quick panel menu. Here you can find the small power icon appear. Once you found it, tap on it, then find the restart or reboot button, tap on it, then tap again and wait to turn back on your phone. And boom, you have successfully exit safe mode your Android phone. If you found this guide will help you, please like this video, possible to subscribe my channel, also share it with your friend. Take care.